December 6, 1917, Halifax, Canada. Two ships collided in the harbor. One was carrying explosives, a lot of them. When the fire started, no one realized what was coming. Then it happened. A blast so powerful, it flattened buildings, shattered windows 80 kilometers away, and blinded hundreds with flying glass. Over 1,600 people died instantly. 9,000 were injured. The city turned into ruins, like a war zone. It was the largest human-made explosion until Hiroshima. A moment of silence became a deafening nightmare. The Halifx explosion, forgotten by many, but never by history.